and welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're going to be doing a very simple, glowy and glittery summertime makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in watching that, keep on watching, but if you're not a part of the Palladio family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, if you want to see a tutorial on this look right here, keep on watching. Well, hello guys and welcome back. So to start up this look, we are going to go in with this brown shade from the Jaclyn and Morphe palette and my Morphe M 504. I'm just gonna put this all over the crease. This is gonna be your first transition, so it doesn't have to be the cleanest transition ever, but you do have to make sure that you blend it out completely. So I'm first gonna go in with this M 504 and I'm gonna blend it in windshield wiper motions and also in circular motions all the way from outer corner to inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox lighted up blending brush and I'm gonna blend the very top edge towards the brow because I want to make sure that all the colors are just super blended. And then I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn yellow shade, again from the Morphe palette and my Morphe M 433. I'm putting this all over the crease, kind of in the same places that I put that first transition shade, but a tiny bit lower. And I'm blending that all over from outer corner to inner corner, and I'm also gonna pack it on the outer corner. And as you can see, I'm just blending in windshield wiper motions and also in circular motions. That's just gonna help everything look super blended and super cohesive. And I'm just doing that until it looks super blended. So just keep blending until you see fit. And then going back in with the Smashbox lighted up blending brush, blending again just the edges. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Tangerine from the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. It is an orange. Same Morphe M433, putting it in the same places, just building up the transition, building up the intensity, so the intensity that I desire. Again, doing that in circular motions and also in windshield wiper motions until I see fit as well. And then again, going back in with the Smashbox lighted up blending brush, blending again the edges. We want to make sure everything is blended. And now going in with this dark pink shade from the Sephora Pro Editorial palette, putting that in the crease, but this one I did put a lot lower than the previous shades. And I am using my Morphe M433, but as I said before, I'm keeping this way lower. I'm doing more small circular motions as well as the windshield wiper motions, but not too wide because I don't want the color to go all the way up to the brow. I do want it to stay in the crease. And then going in with the very bright pink, and I'm just gonna build this up a lot on the crease on top of the magenta shade that we used. And again, that is with the same Morphe M433. And then to blend out that color so that it doesn't look too harsh, I'm gonna go back in with the Smashbox lighted up a blending brush and we're just gonna blend the edges once again. And now we're gonna go in with some glitter glue. This one's the NYX one, and this brush is just a flat brush. And I'm just gonna put this glitter glue all the way from outer corner to inner corner all over the lid because I want this look to be super glittery and super ready for summer. And what better way to do that than with glitter, because I literally love glitter so much. And then I'm gonna grab the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Peachy Sheen. I'm just gonna put this all over the glitter. Now I do like to use a glitter glue with these eyeshadows because I feel like if you don't, they fall all over the face. And then I'm gonna blend out the top edge with no additional product on my brush, but this is my Morphe M433, and literally you're gonna spend a long time blending this look. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sephora number 16 brush. This step literally took me like a good 10 minutes to get this whole thing blended. I just keep interchanging the brushes in between my Sephora 16 and my Morphe M433 until it looks completely blended. And now the very last step is to go in with the Morphe M 504 and blend everything together. And then I'm going to use this shade from the Jaclyn Morphe palette and a Sigma E21, and I'm going to highlight the brow bone and inner corner. And I know this is a very harsh highlight, but what I'm going to do is I'm also going to blend it with a Smashbox lighted up blending brush. No additional product on the brush, just blending out that brow bone highlight into the crease. And then I'm going to use some mascara, and this one is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I don't want to wear false eyelashes, so we're just going to be doing this. And if you guys want to see a video where I talk all about my top 5 high-end mascaras, where this mascara is actually included, click on the tab that I'm going to leave at the top of the screen where the arrow is to see that. That is the video from a couple days ago. And now let's get to the face. And for the face, I'm going to start off with the Smashbox Photofinish Primer in Luminizing. I'm going to put it cool like all those Instagram models that I'm not. So yeah, I just thought this looked a little more interesting than just applying just plain old primer. Alright, so then I'm going to blend it out with my Sigma 3D HD blending sponge, which is like literally my favorite sponge ever. I love this sponge so much. Maybe a tiny bit more than a beauty blender, maybe a tiny bit more. If you guys haven't tried this sponge, you need it in your life. And then I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in Gold and Beige, putting that all over the face, and then I'm going to blend it out with the same Sigma 3D HD sponge, bouncing it in and making sure it is super blended and super smooth. And I actually got my shade. I used to wear soft beige, but I got like tan 4 times in the sun, like by the pool, and now I am golden beige, so I am 4 shades darker. So if you've noticed that I am looking a little bit tanned in my videos, that is why, and I'm not mad at it. So yeah, this Florida sun is serving me well. And now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte paddle brush, and I'm gonna blend down the foundation on the neck and also on the ears. I feel like it's way easier to blend down the neck with a brush. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer ever, Urban Decay Concealer in Night Neutral. I will leave every single product I use in the description box below, so you guys don't get confused. And then I'm gonna blend this out with my Sigma 3D HD sponge. And I'm also gonna blend out the under eye concealer with my Sigma P88. As you can see here, I'm just blending it out very close to the inner corner. And then I'm going back in with the Sigma 3D HD sponge to make sure it is still super, super, super blended, and it gets right into the inner corner to get rid of all that darkness. And then I'm gonna go in with some Coty Airspun powder, back with a Sigma 3D HD sponge, putting it on my face, baking it, and then dusting it off with my Sephora number 79 brush, which is like my favorite brush ever. And then I'm gonna grab the shade Tangerine from the Sephora Pro Editorial palette with my Sigma E34 and just putting that all over the lower lash line, all the way from outer corner to inner corner, just blending it out. And then I'm gonna put on some Marc Jacobs Noir mascara and some Laura Mercier Sugar Plum liner. And then I'm gonna bronze my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is the shade Earth. You can buy it individually. I got it literally for $3 at TJ Maxx, which is like super nice. And I'm just putting that all over my face with my Sephora number 79 brush. And I know this is like a super orange and warm bronzer, but that's what I like because this is for summer. And then I just put some Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. And now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Megaglow highlighter. And oh my gosh, this is like the most beautiful highlighter ever. And then I'm gonna blend that out with my Sigma 3D HD sponge to make sure it looks a little bit more natural. And now going in with the Casey Holmes times Palladio Liquid Lip in Georgia. Literally the perfect summer shade. If you have not tried this shade for the summer, you need it in your life. It's the most beautiful pink and it lasts forever. I'm actually gonna top it off with a gloss, but you can also wear it alone if you want it to be super long wearing. This gloss is from Trust Fund Beauty. I will link it down below as well and just write it down for you guys, but I love this gloss. It is not sticky at all. It is super comfortable to wear and it builds on top of liquid lipsticks very nicely. And that will be it for this look. Well, you guys, that is it for this summertime and glittery, glowy, orange, pink, summer colors makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned some techniques or got some inspiration from this look for your summer looks. So yeah, if you did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. What do you guys want to see next on my channel? And also let me know, what is your go-to summertime look? Do you like to go super glowy and bronzy, or do you like to go more for a pink look like this? So definitely let me know in the comments. I really want to get to talk to you guys in the comments because I just love answering comments and talking to you guys. So let me know, and yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.